everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a afterthoughts kind of video on the Olaplex No.7 bonding oil. I made a video of this product when it first came out. I've obviously used up the whole product. You guys can barely get anything out anymore. And I made like a first impressions video when this product first came out about a year and a half ago, or even more at this point. I'm not really sure, but it is up on my channel if you guys want to watch it. And it was more of like a first impressions review kind of video on this oil because I had just picked it up from Sephora and it was like the very first time that I used it. But now that I've officially finished this product, and you guys know Olaplex is a super popular hair care brand, and I want to review this for you guys now that I've used it throughout my hair, when it was dry, when it was wet, with like my longer hair, now that my hair is shorter. So I just wanted to give you guys an overall review on the product and what I think about it now that I've completely finished it up. If you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts on the Olaplex No.7 bonding oil, then please keep on watching. So I actually just checked, and I actually first filmed this Olaplex No.7 bonding oil review in November of 2019. And we're in August 2021, so it's almost been about 2 years since I filmed this video, and I would say it lasted a pretty long time. For the size, I only use like a tiny amount every single time that I would do my hair, and I'm going to walk you guys through how I would personally use it. So I wash my hair, I would say about maybe 2 to 3 times a week, no more than that, or no less either, like literally like just 2 or 3 times a week, because I feel like I take care of my hair pretty good. I use hair masks, I use hair oils, and I'm using like all these products, and I'm using dry shampoo throughout the week, and I'm really like taking care of my hair so I don't have to wash it so often, and it works pretty well for me. I've been doing that for about years now, honestly, at this point. So that's what I personally do. So every time I would come out the shower with like damp hair at first, when my hair was longer, I was using this product every single time. I have also definitely tried other oils between the mix, but overall I was using this a lot, especially when I had longer hair. You guys know I cut my hair recently, and it's pretty short now compared to how long it used to be. It used to go like to my waist length, and now it's like pretty short overall compared to how long it used to be. But this product worked really great. Even though I had really long thick hair, like I still have thick hair, but when I did have longer hair, I would like find that my hair would personally absorb the product really well. Whether I would blow dry it or let it air dry between when I would use this oil and style my hair eventually, it left my hair feeling really silky and smooth, which I really liked. So that's one of the reasons like I really liked this oil in particular from Olaplex. Now I will mention, at the time I was also using Olaplex's number, I believe 4 and 5, their shampoo and conditioner. So I'm thinking all like 3 products together must have really worked. Eventually I did try out the number 8, and I've had the number 3 since before, the shampoo and conditioner, but at this very like time I was just using really like the conditioner, shampoo, conditioner, and the oil mostly I'm gonna be talking about. So yeah, I loved it. It made my hair really silky and shiny, and that's really cool. It didn't leave it oily, and which is a big plus because I have definitely tried products that I will use it on my hair and I feel like it would just get really greasy, especially towards the roots, even if I'm not really like touching the roots. So that's one pro of this product. As you guys know, or if you're new to my channel, I did used to have bleached blonde hair, I believe around the beginning of 2018. So at the time when my hair had grown out and I dyed it back to black, the hair underneath was still like very damaged, and even though I had dyed it black, it was still very dry. So honestly, this was like one of the first products that I remember I tried, and it actually like I noticed a difference of between the comparison of like the hair that I had before when it was super damaged and dry, and like really like I would have that my hair would literally like fall off. Like I would have so much breakage is what I'm trying to say. I would have so much breakage, and I feel like eventually this product really helped that. Like my hair didn't feel so dry and damaged as before, which was great, because that's like the #1 thing that I think is like a big fear, like that your hair becomes super dry, so you really want that like moisture to go back into your hair after you're like blonde. I also want to mention it's such a fine hair oil. I barely have any product left to really show you guys, but it's such a fine hair oil. Like when you put it on, it's like it like basically sinks into the hair. I don't know how to like explain it, but it doesn't leave like this thick greasy feeling. I've definitely tried oils that do that, but this oil is very fine and it just absorbs really good even when your hair is damp. I also use it on dry, but I personally preferred it on damp hair. I feel like I really like got more of the product when I would use it on my damp hair personally. Give you guys some more information on the oil if you guys are interested. I'm looking at the Sephora website and it does say it provides heat protection, high shine finish, UV protection for all hair types, and it is a clean product. So that was also one of the other things. I had switched from using, I believe that it's a 10 hair product. I don't remember the exact name of it, but it was the one where it was supposed to provide like 10 different benefits. But I wanted to switch over to like a cleaner product, so that's actually why I tried this oil in the first place. I was just basically looking for a transition of like things that were similar that it was supposed to help with your hair, which is basically heat, UV, and give a lot of shine to the hair, which it definitely did. And one of the things that I also thought at first was I first kind of thought that Olaplex was just meant for blondes, but then I obviously realized like it's not. But because I would see so many videos of people using it on bleached hair, I thought like, oh, like I'm supposed to use this only on bleached hair. But even though I had come back to my dark hair, I was using it and it like the results were still amazing. So obviously it worked even though I did not have blonde hair at the time. Over the highlighted ingredients, it says that it works by finding hydrogen bonds and cross-linking them and broken via chemical, thermal, or mechanical processes, and basically repairs the broken disulfide bonds, which I feel like it's really scientific for me to understand, but I can vouch for it that it really does work when it comes to that, because again, my hair was I had a lot of breakage, and what I noticed after this product was that my breakage was significantly less, especially now that I cut off like all the hair that was previously bleached. Like I basically have no breakage now, which is amazing. This day, Olaplex No.7 Morning Oil is definitely one of my favorite hair oils that I have used up to date. I'm definitely trying other oils out as well. I want to give like everything a try. I like go into any beauty makeup store, I go into Sephora, I just want to try everything. So Olaplex's oil is one of my favorites that I've tried. It's a really great product. If you guys are interested in buying it, you guys still have not tried it out already, I definitely recommend to pick it up at your local Sephora. Worked for me great, and I'm sure if you have really damaged hair right now, it's going to work amazing for you. Right now my hair is not really damaged anymore, I would say, because I'm just like really taking care of it now, and I pretty much have like my natural hair back almost, even though I did dye it black a few months ago. But overall, like the health of it is amazing compared to 2 years ago when I actually first tested this product out. So if you guys are interested, then I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. Again, this isn't sponsored, this is like my own opinion on this product. I really love the brand Olaplex and they have really great products. Yeah, that is it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys an overall overview on the product and how I used it, and it worked for me amazingly, and I just wanted to give you guys all the context based on what my first review to now, 2 years later. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.